Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Christmas crackers is probably one of the most anticipated parts of any Christmas gathering. The satisfying snap sound, the silly paper hats, the corny jokes, and the small trinkets inside all contribute to the festive atmosphere. But with so many options available, how do you choose the perfect crackers to make your Christmas extra special? In this video, we'll explore what makes a great cracker and help you find the ones that will bring the most joy to your holiday. Number 5. JOYIN 8-Pack Christmas Party Table Favors. Get ready to celebrate with JOYIN's Christmas Party Favors. This set includes 8 table favors, each filled with fun surprises for your guests. It's perfect for adding a festive touch to your holiday dinner. Each 10-inch favor includes a gold party hat, Christmas jokes, and a random little toy or gift. These favors are designed to bring joy and excitement to your Christmas celebration. They are a great value for your party. The favors feature 4 different beautiful snowflake designs. These unique designs will add a special touch to your holiday table. Let the celebration begin with these lovely favors. These no-snap favors are ideal for Christmas, birthdays, and special occasions. Inside, you'll find gifts like screwdrivers, keychains, and more. It's a perfect way to make your celebration memorable. Unlike traditional favors, these do not have a snap. This ensures a safe and enjoyable experience for everyone. Contact us if you have any questions. Customer safety and satisfaction are our top priorities. We're dedicated to ensuring every moment brings you joy. Contact us if you have any issues. We are here to help. What we like. This set features a beautiful snowflake design, perfect for a classic Christmas aesthetic. It also includes small gifts inside, adding an element of surprise and fun. If you are looking for a traditional, elegant touch to your holiday table, this is a great choice. What people say. The crowns are all the same with a shiny gold finish on the paper. They are made from a sturdy paper material, no one's crown ripped. The most surprising part is the quality of the metal used to make the surprises. It is actually a durable metal. Number 4. Xinnun Christmas Cracker Kit, Poinsettia Style. This Christmas cracker kit from Xinnun includes 50 pieces, featuring a festive poinsettia design. You'll receive unfolded crackers and matching ribbons to create your own holiday decorations. The crackers are adorned with classic Christmas elements like red flowers and cardinals. The design creates a joyful atmosphere, perfect for your holiday celebrations. Each kit comes with pre-creased cardboard and ribbons, making assembly easy. You can personalize them by adding small toys, candies, or cookies. These crackers are great for table games or as gift boxes. Fill them with treats to surprise your friends and family this Christmas. Made from quality paper and durable ribbons, this kit is designed to be both elegant and long-lasting. The smooth surface of the ribbon adds a touch of sophistication to the final product. What we like. These crackers are designed for DIY fun, allowing you to personalize them with your own gifts and treats. The Christmas-themed designs add a festive touch to any gathering. If you enjoy crafting and want to create unique gifts for your loved ones, consider these crackers. What people say. The crackers were a great success and everyone loved them. They were good quality and the snaps worked well. The jokes were actually funny. Number 3. JOYIN Christmas Party Table Favor. Get ready for Christmas with JOYIN's 10-pack table favor set. Each 10-inch favor is packed with fun surprises for everyone. Inside each favor, you'll find a party hat, a Christmas joke, and a small toy or gift. It's a complete package of holiday cheer. The favors feature 5 adorable Christmas designs: Snowman, Reindeer, Santa, Gingerbread Man, and Penguin. They're perfect for celebrating with friends and family. These favors are ideal for Christmas celebrations, birthdays, and special occasions. There are 10 different little toys inside, making it a perfect gift. Please note that these favors are different from traditional ones as they do not have a snap inside. They are designed for safe and joyful fun. Customer safety and satisfaction are our top priorities. Contact us if the product doesn't meet your expectations. We are here to ensure every moment brings you joy. What we like. This set features adorable Christmas characters that will delight both kids and adults. Each cracker contains a party hat, jokes, and a random little toy or gift inside. If you're looking to bring smiles and laughter to your holiday celebration, this is a perfect choice. What people say. Our family and friends always love to pop them after dinner. They arrived in good time, and had much better jokes than some in previous years. Also, the little toys were especially enjoyed by our granddaughter. Each favor comes adorned with cute Christmas characters, from jolly Santas to playful reindeer, instantly setting a merry tone for the festivities ahead. Number 2. JOYIN 10-pack Christmas Party Favors. Get ready for some holiday cheer with these JOYIN Christmas Party Favors. Each pack includes a party hat, jokes, and a surprise gift. It's perfect for your holiday dinner. You'll receive 10 table favors, each measuring 10 inches. Inside, you'll find a party hat, Christmas jokes, and a small toy or gift. This set is designed to bring joy to your celebration. These favors feature 2 beautiful Christmas designs, a wreath with red berries and mistletoe. Celebrate the season with friends and family using these lovely decorations. They will bring a festive touch to your table. These no-snap crackers make a great gift for various occasions. Inside, you might find playing cards, ring toss games, or mini tools. It's a fun surprise for everyone. Please note that these are no-snap table favors, different from traditional crackers. They're designed for fun and safe celebrations. We hope this brings you joy. We prioritize customer satisfaction. If you have any issues, please contact us. We're here to ensure you have a joyful experience with our product. What we like. With its classic Christmas designs, this set adds a touch of elegance to your table. Each cracker includes a party hat, jokes, and a random little toy or gift inside. If you appreciate traditional holiday decor and want to add a touch of fun, you should consider this one. What people say. This group of crackers were the best we have ever had, containing a higher quality of toy and a better crown. They were easy to break and had all sorts of party favors. My mom got a mini puzzle box, and I got a fidget toy that I still use even after the holidays. The gifts inside are made of metal and are nice for this kind of product. Number 1. Christmas No-Snap Party Favors, Snowman, Reindeer, Penguin. Looking for fun holiday party favors? This set includes 8 no-snap party favors, featuring snowman, reindeer, nutcracker, and penguin designs. They're perfect for kids and adults alike. Inside, you'll find 2 of each design, snowman, reindeer, nutcracker, and penguin. Each no-snap measures 10 by 2 inches and comes with a silver hat, a small gift, and a joke. To play, simply pull one side of the no-snap. When it breaks, you'll reveal a hat, a small gift, and a joke. The gifts are random, adding to the fun. This set comes in a nice box, making it a great gift for friends, kids, lovers, or coworkers. It's ideal for Christmas parties, gatherings, and dinners. These no-snaps also make a festive centerpiece for your table. Please note that these do not pop and kids should use them under parental supervision. If the hat is too big, you can cut it down. What we like. This set offers a variety of festive characters, including snowmen, reindeer, nutcrackers, and penguins. Each cracker contains a silver hat, a small gift, and a joke. If you like a diverse selection of designs and want to add some variety to your holiday decorations, you should consider these. What people say. The little prizes were fun for the kids to play with as well. All of the toys inside were perfect for his age: wind-up cars, a whistle, a decorative pin for his backpack. Everyone from kids to adults enjoyed them. The gifts were geared to kids. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.